Welcome to this video on structural deck framing. We will explore the essential components, such as joists, beams, and support posts, that provide the foundation for a long-lasting deck. While the deck finish is what everyone sees, the structural bones are what guarantee it lasts. A solid deck starts from the demoed state. If the bones fail, the finish is irrelevant. As master builder D.C. Collins notes, this work is about more than just driving screws. It is about engineering a structure designed to outlast us. Let us look at the anatomy of a structural node. Key elements include pressure-treated lumber for strength, ZMAX joist hangers to prevent corrosion, and hurricane ties for lateral stability. When inspecting existing concrete piers and posts, you must determine if they are structurally sound. While major rot requires a new foundation, minor surface deterioration can be repaired using sealants. Phase 2 focuses on perfect verticality. Before any weight is applied, your 4x4 pressure-treated posts must be perfectly plumb. Gravity is unforgiving to an angled foundation. For the framing layout, the industry standard is 16 inches on center. This spacing provides the necessary support for heavy composite decking, preventing sagging or flex under human weight. The plane down technique is a master method for addressing uneven joists. By planing them flush, you ensure a perfectly level surface for your finished flooring. Understanding the physics of moisture damage is vital. While standard setups often lead to rot, using butyl joist tape protects the top grain of your lumber for decades. Phase 4 covers mid-span blocking. Blocking is not just filler. It acts as a structural solution that binds individual joists together to resist twisting and warping forces. When installing stair stringers, ensure the top anchor is securely mounted to the deck frame, and the bottom anchor rests flush on a solid, level landing pad. This table compares the standard approach to the master builder's method. Using structural screws, planning boards, and applying joist tape sets a higher quality standard for your deck. Before applying the finish, perform a final inspection. Ensure your posts are plumb, beams are hurricane tied, and that all joists, blocking, and top grains are properly prepared. To summarize, the structural blueprint follows 4 steps: preparation, foundation, building the skeleton, and finally, stabilization. Thank you for watching. For more detailed instruction on master carpentry, visit the resources provided on screen to access the full guide.